Okay, over 2,000 years ago, there was an amazing discovery about triangles. When the triangle has a right angle, 90 degrees, and a square are made on each of the three sides, then the biggest square has the exact same area as the other two squares put together. So that might sound really confusing, but I swear it will be a lot easier. So this video is going to be the Pythagorean theorem. So this is what it was saying. If I put squares over here, we're going to see what it does. So we have our three squares. If we take the area of this one plus the area of this one, it should give me the area of this one, because area is the base times the height. Okay, so here's an example. So my area for this is 16, so that means it's going to be 4 here. My area for this is 9, so that means there's 3 blocks here, because it's 3 times 3. Okay, so then we notice that the area is going to be 25, which then is going to be the 5 blocks here. And then 16 plus 9 gives me that 25. Okay, so here's the theorem. Go ahead and write this down. In any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So a squared, which is this, plus b squared, this is b, equals c squared, which is c. So there's my little arrow, so you know which one is a, b, and c. Okay, so let's try one. So again, it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this is my c squared, and this can be either a or b. It doesn't matter, but since this is labeled b, that's what we're going to replace with our question, because we're trying to figure it out. So we're going to plug this in for our a squared, and this in for our c squared. Hypotenuse is always after the equal sign, always. So this long line here is always after the equal sign. So we're going to take 5 squared to get 25. And our 13 squared is 169. So now we got to get b by itself. So we're going to subtract 25 from both sides. So we're going to get b squared equals 144. b still not by itself, so we got to square root both sides to get rid of that squared. So it's going to be b equals, the square root of 144 is 12, because 12 times 12 is 144. So that's how long my side is for that. And you should notice that 13, so this hypotenuse should be the longest length. A and B here should be the shorter lengths. Okay, so this one, this should be longer than this and this. That's what we should notice, okay? This is going to be my c squared, because it's always after the equal sign. So we're going to get 36 squared plus 15 squared is equal to c squared. Okay, so 36 squared is 1,296. 15 squared is 225. So we can go ahead and add those to get 1,521. Need to get c by itself, so we've got to square root both sides. So then your answer, your c should be 39. And again, that c should be the longest length. And it is. Make sure you label centimeters for that one, because it's in centimeters.